In 2025, if your business isn't on Google, it's almost like it doesn't exist. Every day, thousands of potential customers search for services near them, and Google business profiles are what show up first, not websites, not ads. So how do you make sure your business stands out? And once people find you, how do you look professional, earn their trust, and turn clicks into clients? Let's walk you through exactly how to create a Google business profile that ranks, and how Verpex hosting can help you take your online presence to the next level. Why Google business profile matters. Think of your Google business profile as your digital storefront. It shows up on Google Maps, local search results, and even voice searches like hair salon near me or best bakery in city. And it does more than just show your address. It lets you display your business hours, receive and respond to customer reviews, post updates and special offers, allow customers to call or message you directly, show photos and service details, link to your website. Without it, you're invisible in local search even if your business is amazing. Step by step, how to create a Google business profile. Step 1. Go to google.com/business. Sign in with your Google account and click Add Your Business. Step 2. Enter your business name and category. Make sure to choose a category that closely matches what you offer. This helps Google show your listing to the right audience. Step 3. Add your location. If you have a physical store or office, enter your full address. If you're a freelancer or home-based service provider, you can choose to hide your address and define your service area instead. Step 4. Contact info. This is where you add your business phone number and, most importantly, your website URL. No website yet? Don't worry. We'll tell you how Verpex helps with that shortly. Step 5. Business hours and preferences. Add your working hours and let Google know if you accept messages or bookings directly. Step 6. Verification. You'll need to verify your business by postcard, email, or phone. It usually takes just a few days. Once verified, congrats! Your business is live on Google Search and Maps. How to optimize your profile for best results. Creating your profile is just step 1. Optimizing it is what gets you ranked higher and trusted faster. Here's how to do that. Upload high-quality photos. Show your storefront, office, team, or behind-the-scenes action. Write a great business description. Include relevant keywords that your ideal customers are searching for. Example, affordable custom cakes in Dhaka. Enable messaging. Allow customers to send you questions directly via the Google listing. Keep business hours updated. Especially during holidays or special events, nothing loses trust like outdated hours. Encourage reviews. Ask satisfied customers to leave a review. And always reply, thank them or address concerns politely. Use Google Posts. Just like social media, you can post updates, promotions, or news. This shows your business is active and reliable. Why Verpex hosting completes the picture. Your Google business profile gets people to find you. But once they click that website link, what do they see? A fast, professional website can turn a searcher into a customer. And that's where Verpex makes the difference. Here's why Verpex is the perfect companion for your business listing. Free website migration. Already have a site? Verpex moves it for free with zero downtime. Free SSL certificates. Builds trust with visitors and improves SEO rankings. Free domain name. Get your custom domain without paying extra. Daily backups. Your data is always safe, no matter what happens. Global data centers. Choose hosting close to your audience for maximum speed. 24/7 expert support. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Verpex support is always ready. Affordable pricing. Plans start at just 50 cents per month for the first month, perfect for small business owners. And if you're an agency or freelancer, their white label reseller hosting lets you manage multiple client sites under your brand. In short, Verpex doesn't just host your site, it supports your entire online journey. How it all comes together. So here's your full success stack. Google Business Profile. Get discovered by people searching right now. Optimized website. Built on Verpex. Fast, secure, and professional. Ongoing updates. Keep both your profile and site fresh to win trust and traffic. This combo gives your business a serious edge, whether you're a local shop, consultant, service provider, or creative entrepreneur. If you're ready to grow online, start with your Google Business Profile today. Then take it further with hosting that's fast, reliable, and built to grow. Verpex. Subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Thank you for watching.